Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So, we are going to be doing, I want to say we're on week 7 of a garden tour. So, yeah, before we jump in, so on my website for my candle business, everything right now is 20% off, because I changed my mind last minute after I put everything out that candles were going to be 20% off and wax mounts are 10% off. Everything's going to be 20% off until the 11th, so go check that out before the sale ends. And that's also including the summer collection that just came out too. So anyway, let's jump into the garden tour. Alrighty, so we're starting with some strawberries. These are finally starting to grow a little bit, which I don't understand why. It has been so freaking humid here. Oh, it's been rough. But yeah, so these are the Canadian strawberries. They're just kind of doing their thing. Like I said, I'm gonna wait till fall for these to see if they're gonna take off once it cools down. But if not, it's all good. Over here, we have another strawberry plant. It needs watered really bad. But these have a lot of incoming strawberries on them. Have a red one there that's ready. These ones are producing okay. This one is great. I have no idea what type of everbearing it is, but I am so excited because this is producing well and giving me huge strawberries. I just pulled a strawberry off earlier. Alrighty, so we moved the herbs to back here in our driveway. So the basil is doing very well. The curled parsley is doing great. This basil I've lost because it has flowered. But that's okay because it'll give me fresh seed for next year that I can do. In here we have the purple basil, which I love is also partially green too. Something's eating it, I don't know what. But I'm going to take part of this and cut it, get some roots, transplant it. Over here we have more parsley, which I need to harvest this before it goes to seed. But so far, herbs are doing really well. So, the carrots are just doing absolutely wonderful. And if we look down here, let's see if I can zoom in. We have a little carrot. I'm so excited. Oh, it's wonderful. But I'm very, very pumped for these. Over here we have the peas. These are starting to fall down. I'm gonna untangle them. What do we have over here? So if anyone can tell me what these dots are, I've never grown peas before, so all of this is kind of new to me. And yes, I'm going to be getting a trellis, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 growing. So then we have these. These every week just look better and better and better, and I'm so freaking excited about it. Oh, it looks so good. I'm so pumped. So these strawberries, I'm just gonna take them out. I don't like how they taste, I've decided for sure, and I'm gonna put at least one of the oregano plants in there that are inside. This is my Asian lily, which is done flowering, but it'll come back next year. But keep all the perennials that are potted back here because oh well. So then we have the Red Beauty and the California Wonder. If anyone could leave in the comments below why they're turning yellow. Obviously that's a deficiency in something, but I just don't know what. So someone can leave it down below, that'd be great. Greatly appreciated. And then we have the tomatoes, which are still looking puny to me. Especially the great white, like, I'm terrified I'm gonna lose it or something. Then we have the black cherry, we have the hillbilly tomato, cord debut, and the pink ox heart. But, so far. And let's head to the back. Alrighty. So this thing is getting super, super tall. I don't remember what this is. These are getting absolutely huge. We have some zinnias that have some dirt on them, which I really like these. I've never had zinnias before. I've seen them. I've always liked them. I just never knew what they were called until I saw them, and I'm like, I gotta get some. So everything back here is doing good. With this swirly bush, I'm not really sure what's going on. We have a lot of browning, and it's all on the bottom. The top is fine, but it's just like there and here and then down there. And then all of these are doing really, really well. I didn't know these had blossomed yet. These are the Canadian flowers. Well, they're not Canadian, if you guys have never seen this. What are these called again? Okay. But those are gorgeous. Yeah, everything's good over here. So, daisies are dying. Leafy things are doing great. There's nothing really new back here. I mean, everything is about the same, honestly. With the flowers. And pears are starting to get some size on them. Really excited about that. Alrighty, so the clematis, all the flowers are coming off. I did get a bigger trellis to train it to go up. Here we have the Cherokee purple, and we have the get stuffed. I think I've just lost a blueberry bush, and I don't know why, but this one is good. We have these roses. Lost a cucumber plant. I think maybe this one is We got, I think that's a bean plant coming up. I don't really know. These bean plants are not doing the greatest. So we had some slugs on them, and the slugs are eating the leaves. So I don't know how well they're going to do. I guess we'll see, but there's always time to replant, so I'm not super stressed. It's still very early in the season. And those are doing great. Let's head over to the horse trough. So these beans are taking over. I love it. I'm so here for it. They look so good. And these cucumbers are doing really well too. We have 2 flowers. 3 flowers. Yeah. 3 flowers. That's so exciting. It's so awesome. Yeah, I'm super excited about the beans. I may start some pole beans because it's not too late in the season. So we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, and then we have the butterfly bushes that are just kind of doing their thing. Leafy thing, I think it was a flower. These. And that's so pretty. All of that is good. Alrighty, so this is a hibiscus flower, and I can't remember if it's like their bush variety, but it stands on its own. But I just think these are absolutely gorgeous. They're so pretty. So over here we have the lily pads, and these are looking a lot better than last week. And those are really good so far. And this one has a leaf that's about to come up, 2 leaves are about to come up, and then there's some at the very, very bottom down here that are hard to see. And these are coming up good. The climbing flower plant has some more stuff on it, flowers. And then we have another water plant. I don't know what kind this is, but we have one. Over here in this little fountain, this thing is starting to get some flowers. So we'll see how pretty that looks. Maybe it'll be going in a week. We'll see. Don't know. That's the rhododendron bush. That's done flowering. And of course we have the purple version of the flowers that we saw in Canada. They just look so pretty in the sun. And then I'm going to show you guys the patio. Alrighty, so I wasn't talking too much because there are people outside and I just don't feel comfortable enough talking on camera with people around. Still feel kind of awkward, but essentially, like I showed you guys, everything's doing really, really well. It's very muggy out here today. Has been all week. But I'm super pumped and I'm super happy with everything. I am still a little worried about my tomatoes. I'm gonna see if they're due for fertilizer. I'm gonna have to see. But yeah, so that is it for the garden tour. Also, don't forget to check out the candles. I will leave the website down below. It's just wagonwheelcandles.com. And oh, I have one other thing to show you guys before I sign off. So we have marigolds that I haven't planted yet, and then we have a purple bell pepper. I'm very excited about this. We've never had a purple bell pepper here, so hopefully we get some peppers this year and we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, all the plants are accounted for now, but thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, don't forget to check out the candles, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.